In this video, you'll learn how to remove app access to Google Drive. Maybe you tried out a third-party app once, connected it to your account, and then forgot about it. Or perhaps you're just doing a security cleanup and want to make sure only trusted apps can see your files. Whatever the reason, taking control of which apps can access your Google Drive is an important step in keeping your information safe and organized. We'll go through this process using the standard Google Drive website on a computer, and I'll explain what each action is doing so you feel confident about the changes you're making. First, open Google Drive in your web browser and sign in if you're not already. Once you're on your Drive homepage, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your user icon there. This might be your profile picture, your initials inside a colored circle, or a generic avatar if you haven't set a photo. Go ahead and click that user icon. This is where you can quickly get to your main Google account settings. After you click your user icon, a small panel will open. In that panel, you'll see an option that says Manage your Google account. Click that option. This will take you out of Drive itself and into your overall Google account dashboard where all your security and privacy settings live. You'll now see several sections or tabs across the top or along the side, such as personal info, data and privacy, and security. For what we're doing, you'll want to look for the part of your account that deals with third-party access. Scroll through the page until you find the area labeled Third-Party Apps with Account Access. This section lists all the apps and services that can access parts of your Google account, including Google Drive. Take a moment here to scan through the list. You might see apps you recognize and still use, like document editors, backup tools, or productivity apps. You might also notice older apps you no longer use or don't even remember connecting. It's a good idea to periodically review this list so that only apps you trust can reach your files and data. Next, select the app that's connected to Google Drive and that you want to remove. When you click on it, you'll usually see more details, such as what kind of data it can access. This might include viewing, editing, or managing files in your Drive. Checking this information can help you decide whether you really want that app to keep its access. If you're sure you no longer need this connection, look for the button or link that says Remove Access. Click Remove Access to disconnect that app from your Google account. You may be asked to confirm your choice. Once you confirm, the app will no longer be able to access your Google Drive or any other parts of your account it was previously authorized to use. If you use several third-party apps, repeat the same process for any others you no longer need. You can always reconnect an app later if you change your mind, but removing unused access now helps keep your Google Drive more secure and your account cleaner overall. That's all there is to it. By clicking your user icon in Google Drive, managing your Google account, scrolling to the third-party apps section, selecting the app, and removing access, you've taken a simple but powerful step to protect your files and privacy.